So, I think this is the wrong day today to do a serious video. So, thank you very much for tuning in on the Wheeler Detailers YouTube channel. This is Jordi.
Hey guys,
how are you today?
I'm very well.
You look very good today.
Yes, you told me yesterday we're going to the Specht.
So I have to live up to my promises. It's going to be an interesting lunch today. But next to the lunch, we're going to now host for you the 5th episode, I think.
Yeah.
Is it 5th?
5th one, yeah.
5th episode of the Wheeler Detailers Supra build. And in this Supra build, the windscreen is being renewed.
The dashboard is going out, the old one, and the new one, Chris put it in.
Okay, yeah. The headliner, the airbags.
Yeah, the airbags, yes. We drive the car from Dijksen
to here?
To here.
Pick up the car, yeah, okay.
Yeah.
We're gonna put this in the right order. We're gonna give some voiceovers with that. So yeah, hope you guys like it. If you do so, please give it a thumbs up. Yeah, let's go to the video.
Do you like car detailing? Please subscribe Wheeler Detailers. Hit the bell icon and watch all our videos.
I have never seen Chris from this side. You know, I knew he's got two right hands, as we call it in Holland, but wow. I think in his previous life he was a professional car mechanic or something.
How you call that? We call hemeltje.
Yeah, a headliner. And it needs to be removed because the old airbags have to go out and the new ones have to go in.
Yeah, and it was broken because of the airbags poof, you know, it's
yeah. Oh yeah, that's true. He fixed the headliner as well, yeah. What's he actually doing there?
The glass is coming out. So you see Chris is under the bump, you can see him.
This is Michael, yeah?
Yeah. Do it with two people.
I get it. Wow. Okay.
Nice.
Thank you, Dijksen.nl, for helping us out with pretty much everything until so far. Oh my god.
It's Mini Chris.
Mini Chris. Tijn is there too. He's like 15 years old and he more or less works like an adult. Yeah.
And he's actually working by Camel Guys now.
He is officially contracted by Camel Guys EU.
No, Chris is gonna fix it.
What was broken? Do you remember?
Ja, de stof is zeg maar omhoog gegaan.
So he is re-gluing the upholstery or the fabric to the shape again.
That shit. Shit.
Oh my god.
We want to drive to Dijksen to get the Supra, but Chris, saw the bird poop. No.
Bird poop has to go off.
Yeah,
it's
first things first.
Priority.
A little bit of detailing with Chris, always funny. Equal smart.
Yeah.
Chris can't drive with a dirty fan.
Of course not. No. So you can see Dijksen here is at the other end of the street. Putting the trailer on. Oh yeah.
There it goes.
You can really now more or less see the shape a little bit more of the car.
Now Chris is driving away.
I saw bird poop on the bonnet.
Haha, Chris.
I'm gonna rev this baby up, man. So I'm gonna now do the obligatory car wow sound check. So you have to go to the exhaust and then back. Then I'm gonna rev it up, okay?
Yo, bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
My God. Hashtag car wow. So.
What you doing here?
Just checking out how the old airbag smells.
Very important.
It doesn't bring anything.
Box. Zwaar.
Small.
With a little bit of power of Sebas.
Oh yeah. So this is the new airbag. Okay. He actually did this in one evening.
Yeah. Chris did also do the camera work. That man can do everything.
I thought you're the cameraman.
Normally, yeah. But in the evening, yeah, I'm not here.
So the fixed up headliner is being replaced again? Or repositioned again? Okay. So this is the Supra Vout dash. The new front bumper.
Which color do you like more? The red one or the yellow one?
I think I go for yellow. It makes me happy.
Mm-hmm. It's more happy. Yeah. It's more summer color.
Yeah. So you can see the dash here is getting much more shape. The new dash. With the navigation screen.
Very important.
Yeah. The digital gauge cluster.
It's weird that you don't see a steering wheel.
Yeah. Yet. It will come. Glove compartment. Side panels. The
radio.
No, for the heater and the air conditioning. The cluster. Oh yeah, this was interesting.
That's the radio.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, cluster for the steering wheel. He actually looked evenings and evenings to YouTube videos on parts and disassembly for the Supra Mark V. And that really helps so much when you do this for the first time. So thank you YouTube for that.
And hopefully people, when they see this and they can do it by themselves,
they think, well,
yeah.
let's build a car. Yeah.
Click. So.
To be honest, until so far,
Yeah.
I didn't think in the beginning it would go so smooth. Because also this is the first time we do a huge project like this. We only normally did screw damages until so far, which is more part off and part on again.
This is not a normal car. It's like a supercar.
Yeah. But yeah. This is Erik from Autotaalglas Apeldoorn.
Yeah.
We have to put them their link in the video too. Thank you very much for your help, Ronald as well.
This is the new windscreen. We pick it up by campus.
Okay, yeah.
The second one. The first one wasn't with a camera. This one is with camera.
Now he's putting on some glue, I think. Primer?
The greaser. Kind of the greaser.
The greaser, okay.
It smells terrible.
All that old, what is it, glue or kit?
Yeah.
Has to be removed. Autotaalglas.nl.
Last video with Autotaalglas was with Ronald.
Yeah. Maybe you can.
You can see him in your screen here.
Yeah, maybe you can put him in the video.
I can fix that.
Is it still the greasing or is it like glue?
No, this is the glue. With a big gun. It looks very easy. I think when we doing this...
No. This is specialist work.
Yeah.
100%.
It fits, luckily.
Perfect. Okay. The wiper bay. And we're gonna have a lot of cleaning and detailing when this car comes back. So hopefully as from the first week of August we can focus on that.
The rubber's very important, rubber. You've got meal.
Yeah. Wow.
It's not clean, but it's back again.
It will be clean.
Yeah.
And also the dash is also working. The radio, the navigation, the gauge cluster, everything is working. Super proud on what everybody's been doing and the help so far. Great.
Nice.
So that was the 5th episode of the Wheeler Detailer's Supra build project. Hope you liked it. So a lot of things have happened and the car is already going into the direction we want it to be. Next episode will be with an interview with Thomas Linders of Linders Car Care and Linders Car Concept. And this interview we're going to do this in Dutch language with some English subtitles. Thomas will be explaining how the whole process works when you want to import the car as we did from Germany. If you want to have it on license plates, how it works with the so-called luxury tax that you have to pay in Holland. So we're going to go into detail of that. And in the meantime, he is actually having the car with him in his company in Helmond to do all the things with the controls and the checks, with the Dutch RDW, which is like an authority that needs to decide if the car can be on license plates, yes or no. So if it's safe and following all the directions. And with that, it's allowed on the Dutch and other European roads. So we hope within 2 weeks the car is back with license plates, and then we can move on to the painter. So we're waiting on that. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the Wheeler Detailers YouTube channel. You really help us with that, and we really appreciate that. Jody, thanks for all the editing and cutting and making all the videos work.
I do my best.
You do. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Bye guys.
We hebben de afgelopen 4-5 weken al best wel veel werk gedaan. En ja, we hebben Chris ook van een andere kant leren kennen.
Hij doet het vrij netjes.
Chris doet het super.
Net een monteur.
En ja, dus we hebben al heel veel laten doen. En we zitten nu eigenlijk op het punt dat die auto's technisch, denken wij, zo goed als functioneel is. En hij staat nu ook bij jou in het bedrijf. En jij gaat nu als het goed is proberen om hem op kenteken te krijgen.